Hey there, I'm Amanda Berlin, a fractional CMO for service-based B2B businesses that are struggling with scattered marketing efforts, inconsistent lead flow, and marketing that just isn't keeping up at the pace of your service delivery excellence. If you're drowning in manual marketing processes while trying to scale your firm, this video is for you. Want to know the biggest thing holding your firm back from growth? It's probably not what you think. You're crushing it with client work, revenue is good, but somehow growing beyond your current state feels like pushing a boulder up a hill. And here's what most firms don't realize: it's not your marketing message that's the problem, it's not your service quality, it's your marketing operations. What do I mean by that? Let me tell you, right now in your business, I bet at least one of these things is happening. You are manually copying leads from web forms into your CRM, losing valuable time and risking data errors. You're coordinating with multiple freelancers through endless email chains with no clear workflow or accountability. Your prospect tracking lives in spreadsheets or worse, sticky notes, making it impossible to see the big picture of your pipeline. Every time these manual processes slow you down, you're not just losing time, you're losing momentum. And in today's market, losing momentum is expensive. Why? Because every delayed follow-up, every missed handoff, every lead that falls through the cracks represents revenue that you cannot get back. Now, let me share a quick story. Recently, I worked with a professional services firm where their sales leader was trying to juggle marketing as well as tasks related to sales, as well as closing leads. And maybe this sounds familiar. They were doing well enough, but they were stuck. Their marketing was scattered across the team, various freelancers, agencies. Nothing was talking to each other, not their systems and not their people. And here's the thing, they had a really high standard of client service delivery, operational excellence in that arena, but their marketing process didn't reflect their brand in this way either. There were just huge disconnects across the board. So here's what we did for them. And these are things that are relevant for any firm that has this marketing operations disconnect. If you were going to do one thing, here's what I would recommend. And here's what we did for them. Get yourself an integrated lead management system. Now, I'm not just talking about getting a CRM. You might have a CRM, but I'm talking about a complete system where things talk to each other. It's all integrated. Your technology works together. Here's what that looks like. First, automated lead capture from all of your sources: website forms, LinkedIn, events, referrals, everything flowing into one central place automatically. Second, systematic lead follow-up processes, predetermined workflows that ensure no lead goes untouched, with clear next steps and timing at every stage of engagement. This closes the follow-up loop. It makes sure that everyone is tended to. Now, third, clear handoffs between marketing and sales. Defined criteria for when and how leads move through your pipeline with accountability at every step. When we implemented this for the firm I talked about, we hit our marketing KPIs within 1 quarter, meaning more marketing qualified leads landing on the sales leader's calendar. But more importantly, their sales team could finally focus on what they did best: closing deals. Their lead response time went from days to hours, and their conversion rates improved because they were following up consistently and professionally. So here's what I'm inviting you to do. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest marketing bottleneck in your business right now? I read every comment and respond personally. Now, if you're ready to transform your marketing operations, click the link in the description and book a marketing operations session with me, amandaberlin.com/consult. We will map exactly where your operations need attention and create a plan to fix it. Now, remember, either your marketing operations are setting you up for success and they're scalable, or they're leaving you stuck. And you get to choose where you land on that. Stay tuned to the next video where we're going to dive into the tech stack that actually works for your business. I will see you soon.